Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission Chairperson Wafula Chebukati says that the Supreme Court verdict on the presidential election petition has vindicated the commission. In a press conference this evening, Chebukati said despite deaths, intimidation and assault of the commission staff, the court's decision has proven that they conducted a credible and verifiable election on August 9th this year. And as Hassan Mugambi now reports, Chebukati says it is up to the four commissioners to decide whether they are still employees of IEBC.
Good afternoon.
The embattled IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati Monday said the unanimous decision by the 7-judge bench of the Supreme Court upholding the win of President-elect William Ruto is a statement that the electoral agency conducted a free, fair, transparent and credible election. Speaking after the Supreme Court verdict, Chebukati said the decision by the court was a clear demonstration that IEBC met the democratic aspirations of all Kenyans.
This process started immediately after 2017 general election, and the Commission tested its systems and processes in over the 40 by-elections in the last 5 years. The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is finally vindicated.
Chebukati says the commission is awaiting the full judgment of the Apex Court and feedback from stakeholders during the post-election evaluation exercise to make an informed decision on areas to improve in the electoral process.
The commission put in place a robust and transparent election infrastructure to ensure that the votes cast were counted, electronically transmitted, verified, tallied, announced and declared in line with Articles 81 and 86 of the Constitution.
The IEBC chair said this year's election was conducted by about 1,000 dedicated permanent employees of the commission who are supported by over 400,000 temporary staff countrywide. The chair condemned what he terms attacks, ethnic profiling and assault meted on IEBC staff.
It's tragic that Mr. Daniel Mushoka, a returning officer for Embakasi East constituency, was abducted and tortured to death in the line of duty. In addition, Mr. Geoffrey Kitobu, a returning officer for Kishugu constituency, died in what could be election-related stress upon completion of elections in his constituency.
Chebukati also spoke out on the assault and injury of IEBC Commissioners Abdi Guliye, Boya Molu, the Commission's CEO Marjan Hussein, and himself at the National Tallying Center during the declaration of election results.
To date, no one has been arrested for these crimes committed against members of the Commission and its staff. As it stands, no human rights or civil society organization have condemned these heinous acts meted on the Commission and its staff. Working for IEBC should not be a death sentence.
Of the four commissioners who broke away, including his vice chair Juliana Cherera, Justus Nyang'aya, Francis Wanderi and Irene Masit, Chebukati says they remain commissioners.
It's up to them and their conscience what they want to do going forward. But as a commission, we follow the law and we have not chased away anyone.
The IEBC had been listed as a respondent in the just concluded presidential election